All right, Fraser here. How to get signups using solo ads, how to make money online using solo ads, how to do affiliate marketing using solo ads, all of that stuff using solo ads. I'm just basically going to give a little intro of how I personally learned how to do solo ads and work solo ads, and share with you the same system that I've been following since 2011, or actually 2015. 2008, 2014, early 2015, I learned how to do solo ads, and from 2015 on, have been full-time in affiliate marketing. Hasn't always been great times, but following these simple concepts that I'm going to introduce to you here has helped sustained me over the years, not just over the past couple of months, over years. And this same program I've been a member of for years. Both of these programs I'm going to share with you today. So basically, I learned solo ads from a guy named Frank Calabro. The guy knows what he's talking about, and he has took his training and just coupled it with a marketing system and a traffic source. And it's all within this funnel. It's basically called the Cash Now funnel, which basically combines Power Lead System and Udemy solo ads. A lot of people have had success using this exact copy and paste replicated funnel. Me, I like a variety of traffic sources, so basically I've took his training and put it in my traffic. If you following this YouTube series, if you just came across me on YouTube, you know I promote this system right here, system created by Edward. And basically, he has created a system that you can join for free that you can use to promote any business you wish. Now, I have my business here, but I also wanted to include Frank's solo ad training within this same system, because that's how I get traffic to my system and to other folks. When you come through here, you click down here, you come through this, you come to the second page, you click on traffic, and then you scroll down. You're going to see where I learn solo ads, and I'm going to change out this banner here sooner at some point. But where I have learned solos from Frank, you're going to click that, and you may see this exact same video you're looking at now. I may swap it out, but this is what I was talking about earlier in this video. Learn solos from Frank. You're going to click on that. It's going to take you right here to where you'll be able to set up the same system for $1. And again, this system has Power Lead System and Udemy solo ads, and basically Frank details how he was able to go full-time using this training. He is the #1 income earner in Power Lead System. I am the #4 all-time income earner within Power Lead System. Not for the past month, not for the past year, but for all time. Frank is the #1 all-time income earner. I'm the #4 all-time highest income earner. Not saying that to brag. I'm just saying I followed Frank's training, and I'm #4 on the leaderboard. And so, and I think when you watch this video, you actually see where he shows the all-time leaderboard. Again, not bragging, just the power of following the same plan. So how to learn how to make money online, learn how to use solo ads to make money. It's very simple. You just go through this training, apply it, and I have the same funnel here set up. Now, the only thing I change and tweak is I use his solo ad training to send to this page right here, which promotes my primary business, my leads lead marketing system, and then on the traffic page, when you scroll down, after my broke person's traffic plan, after my SafeList traffic plan, you'll learn solo ads. And it connects to this very same exact funnel. And you have the choice. You can use this funnel, or you can use this. The reason I sit down a little bit further down is because a lot of people kind of get intimidated when it comes to buying solo ads. So that's why I have it in my perpetual traffic plan, but after my broke person's traffic plan. The broke person's traffic plan is designed to get you some easy traffic, some easy commissions. Then you take those commissions and then you systematically scale up. And then once you get ready to start buying solo ads, you'll be comfortable because you won't be afraid, because you'll know your numbers. And it's just like a systematic system, basically. So that being said, anyone wants to wrap this video up, names right underneath this video, include link. If you're watching this on YouTube, it's going to go to this page right here. If you opt in to the traffic step, click it, page, scroll down, learn solos from Frank. Learn solos from Frank, dominate everything you do online. And then that's basically go to this replicated power lead system funnel. But you can promote just this funnel in itself, but at the same time, this other funnel that I'm promoting, it's all free any which way, so you might as well grab it and include it in your rotation. And yeah, that's it. How to get signups using solo ads. It's all in the training here. You could go through, click through it, listen through the whole training, not joining programs, but I highly suggest joining them because they only make sense. Any which way, wrapping this video up, links are below. We'll see you in the next one. Peace.